omubukirwa.
Esabiti ibiri zihingwire entare ya Tooro ekatoorana Stephen Kiyingi nk'omubukirwa omusya w'obukama bwa nyuma y'okurekura kwa Berard Tungako Atenyi owabiratwire omu ntebe gy'okumara emyaka 7. Bakuru b'enganda nibagira ngu orukurato rwashitamira ha biro 29 eby'okwezi okuhwire kandi orukarabyaho Stephen nk'omubukirwa rukakorwa omu bihenda biragiro kugira ngu sipiika owarwebembire takarahizibwa.
I've been drawn to the attention of your appointment of Mr. King Stephen as omubukirwa of Tooro Kingdom. We note with concern and disappointment that the appointment is irregular, illegal, and an embarrassment to the people of Tooro.
Betijere kyabiro kumanyira bakasorowa bayetaganaka bokuba nasagika ekyabo muhanga tubashobora kumweta bokuba takusagika ekyabo ari na Bible semba omukama yatukwasa nguniyo mugenda kutekaniza empango erugenda kubaho but as we talk now turore empango bagitwihiraho so nicyo tugambiye mu cyandiko cyetu kakuba omukama atatugarukamo itu nk'abakuru b'enganda tuturugenda kwetaba mu kujaguza kw'empango akotari nito abanyagitekaniza.
This process would have included discussion of the king's nominee or nominees and endorsement by either consensus or voting, where a simple majority is required for declaring endorsement.
Akanyerera ka 27 omu ngenderwaho y'obukama nikagira ngu omuntu weena okutooranwa ahabwa mushyikirwa aine kubanza yahayo empapura z'ebyobwegyese bwe na n'ebyo byona ebirikumukwataho okwenda ngu abakorasi bakaba nibyo bagenderaho kumuhamya.
Omukama oyire kwita kahika kikaro ekimumoralizeho anyorekekemu mu masaza ga Tooro gona obwaraba namanya eka yananga nyenda kuba icyo kurora Museveni n'omusajja politician baitu namanya eka yanake naka eka yonage harba eka yakamulindwa inyamabuka n'ibindi.
Our grievance is not about race, tribe or color as has been purported by some individuals, groups of people, social media and other enemies of our kingdom.
Abo bwahati nibenda omukama hindura mu nkora ye agaruka ronde omushyikirwa ndijo obwe arukuratara obuhangwa bwa Tooro.
Your Majesty the King, there is you as the king and the Tooro Kingdom. You must work with Tooro Kingdom, being advised by the Rukurato Rukuru Rw'Ensanje.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Jonathan Tsingwire.